Hello everybody, I have another vacuum review to do. I'm sorry if I don't sound like how I usually do. I have a cold, but I said I would make this, so I have nothing else to do, so yeah. So this is my Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet. Got this a few years ago at Target. It's a good vacuum. There's some things I do and do not like about it, but overall it's a good looking machine. So down here you have five height adjustments. Right here it has 12 amps. It has the Windtunnel 3 technology. You can see the brush roller here. You also turn the brush off for hardwood floors and then back on for carpet. Under here is a HEPA filter with carbon. It's a carbon kind of filter. So yeah, there's the carbon pad or something like that. But anyways, yeah, this is the filter that just sits down there. It has a headlight right there, which you'll see when I run it. It has automatic cord rewind, so you pull out the cord right here, and then you press this gray button right here and to rewind it. Oh, come on. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't work. Yeah, it doesn't even want to work. Oh, come on, I don't got time for this. I don't know why this thing doesn't. There, as you see. You know what I mean. Yeah, it doesn't want to go in anymore. Yeah, this thing's junk sometimes, but oh well. You saw it, it rewinds the cord. The Dustbin Is Huge. So it's called Pro Pet. And then up here, and well, you have a filter indicator right here for if you have you need to clean the filter, empty the dirt cup, or check for clogs. I said check for filter, but anyways, yeah, here's your filter. Right there. It's washable. That one's not washable, but this one's washable. It goes back on there like that. See the tools. You get this turbo brush, pet turbo brush with the rubber teeth on it. It just stays up there. Then you have your wand with the crevice tool. The wand extends, as you see right there. Then this tool right here. Like on the other Hoover I showed you, the other pet Hoover, it has the same thing, but the only thing is these are just red and not a yellowish orange color. So yeah, that just stores on the side like that. Man, I sound horrible. You get a stretch hose, so you press this button down here. It releases the hose. It's a pretty good amount of hose, in my opinion. This snaps back in like that, and hose goes back in like that. Show you the underneath. As you see, here's the brush. It has pretty stiff bristles. It does a good job at cleaning, in my opinion. Alrighty, so without me further ado, let me plug this thing in. Let me unwind the cord. Alright. Plug it in. Wrong way. There we go. Alright. So, for releases right down there. And your on-off switch is up here, and let's go. And as you see, it does a pretty good job at cleaning, so as you see by the carpet, as usual. So yeah, just another review of my vacuums of my Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 Pro Pet. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and stay tuned for more videos from me. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.